So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So there is one important update related to BCG. So what is that particular update? We'll try to discuss that, and followed by we'll go to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so coming to the first important thing related to BCG is, so today finally the stock has come out of NSE B category and it has come to equity segment. So this is one of the positive news that I wanted to discuss. So morning itself I have received many messages in Instagram that why actually the stock price variation is present. So because it has shifted from BE segment to equity, and clearly I mentioned that nothing to worry, and of course it is a positive news. Okay, so whenever any stock is in B category, it would be considered as negative, and the same way circuit limit also would be restricted. And another most important thing is you can't do intraday trading. So that is, if you buy the stocks in B category, you need to hold for T+2. So on or before you cannot sell those shares. So that is one major negative for the stocks which belong to that particular category. So when it is coming out of it, so obviously it is a positive thing. And morning itself before market opening, I have mentioned these particular points. So after that, when market has opened, so a little bit of the stock has showed fluctuations, but again it has maintained the upper circuit. Okay. So this is one very good update related to BCG. So current price also more than 84-85 rupees level. So still the stock is looking very bullish. So now coming to another thing is like, now we can check the delivery percentage also, because earlier whenever they used to be in B segment, so obviously 100% deliveries would be present. So actual volumes would not be observed. So again, we can also compare the deliveries and we can calculate each and everything. So we'll discuss those all. So first, let us see the deliveries, how much percentage was taken today, and after that we'll move on to the technical charts. Okay, so next if we see how much quantity is being traded, so very good quantity of 29 lakh shares have been traded, 17 lakh shares have been taken into deliveries, and 59.74 is the delivery percentage. So earlier these type of things were clearly not visible. So now since it has trading normally in the equity segment, so these all things can be clearly observed. So percentage wise, a very good thing. And charts also will look little confusing, but don't worry about that. So if once everything gets settled, so let it take its own time to travel in this equity segment. So then automatically charts would be visible. So time being, we can observe in the BSE chart. So there normally the stock movement can be tracked. Okay, so let's go to technical charts. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the one-day chart. So here if you see the stock today, it has opened here, and you can see a little bit it has come down. Again it has maintained the upper circuit region, but you can see this much gap is present on technical chart. So why this much gap? Because the chart was not updated. Okay, you can see when last it has traded in equity segment, it has last traded in equity segment when it was near the 40 rupees. After that it has entered into B category. So when it has entered into B category, so from this particular level, so where it has closed, that is 40, so from there B category, okay, a rally would be present. So now since it has come back to equity segment, so that's why this particular gap is present in the chart. So don't worry about that. So automatically they would be reflected. So only thing is try to focus the levels that we are going to discuss. So the first important thing, as you can see today, it has comfortably closed above 85. So since we are trading on whole numbers, we are trying to see the targets on base of whole numbers. So next would be 90. So after that, most important thing would be 100 rupees. So that company can considerably achieve. So keep 100 as your short-term target. And another important thing is the company has entered into $1 billion industry. So that is not a joke. So the market cap, whatever the company is increasing on regular basis, and very good financials also the company has reported in the previous quarter. So all these things had made the stock completely go in the upside direction. So bonus issue also the company has given. So everything. step by step the management also is taking the right decisions. So it's up to you to, if you want to average, you can average, and if you're still holding from low levels, so keep holding this particular stock. Okay, so next, if we try to observe in BSE segment, so there you can see the chart is completely simplified, and here you can do your own analysis. So money flow index is in 90, so it's in overbought region because of back-to-back upper circuits that the stock is completely showing. Okay, so observe the targets. 90 is the first, and next one would be the 100 rupees. So this is about BCG. So since it has comfortably come to equity segment, so definitely you can start even intraday trading, and what are the swing tradings you keep doing, so that also will proceed normally. So further any queries, ask in the comment section, and you can also join Instagram ID is stocks deriv IT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.